Hi, I'm Nicole Carpenter, founder of MomEntity.com, and welcome to my kitchen. Now, I'm not a chef or a cook or a baker of any kind, and you won't be seeing any recipes today, but I did want to let you know about one trick that might help you and your kids in your family. This week in my column, I wrote an article about 8 creative ways to stop the fighting in your home. And in that article, I referenced how we were able to eliminate potty talk from our home overnight. Now, I hope you know what potty talk is, because that would mean that you're a normal family. Potty talk are those uses of words that only belong in the bathroom. And with one daughter and 3 boys, there is a lot of potty talk. Or rather, there was a lot of potty talk in our home until we stopped it. The fart jokes and the references to bums and things that happen in bathrooms was out of control, and I needed it to stop, especially since it was happening around our kitchen table. So I decided to use our Pom Pom reward jars to fix that problem. Normally, the reward jars are over here by the microwave, but for the sake of this video, I've moved them out. So you can see these are the jars that we use in our home to reward our kids for positive behavior. And inside are fluffy little colorful pom-poms. Now normally, when the kids earn a pom-pom, they keep the pom-pom, and I never take a pom-pom away. And then when the jar is full, they receive a prize. Now the bigger kids have a bigger jar, and the younger kids have a smaller jar. That helps them get their reward and feel good about the effort that they are putting into these jars. And I have to tell you that these have been really successful for a really long time for us, and that's saying something. But like I said, the potty talk was out of control. So what I decided to do is take a pom-pom away. And I don't recommend that, because this is kind of like a reward system for these kids. It's like currency. So it would be like I pay you a salary and then you make a mistake, so I take the money back. And obviously that's not the best thing to do, but in this case, the fart jokes were out of control and we needed to stop them. So I used a system from the book 1, 2, 3 Magic and decided to give the kids a verbal warning. First, I explained to them that potty talk would no longer be allowed in our home, except for in the bathroom. And I actually said, you've got 5 minutes to use all the potty words that you can to get them out of your system. And they looked at me like I was a little crazy, and then they did. They eliminated every potty word that they could think of really quickly for 5 minutes. And then I said, now, every time from now on that you use a potty word, I will give you a warning. I will say, that's 1. And if it happens again, I will say, that's 2. And if it happens a 3rd time, I will say, that's 3, and I will take a pom-pom out of your jar and I will keep it. Now these kids work hard for these pom-poms, and they didn't want to lose any. So as soon as somebody made a joke about a bum or a fart or whatever it may be, I said, that's 1. And you know what? Instantly, they stopped. I rarely got to 2, and I never got to 3. And within just a few short days, we had eliminated the potty talk from our home. Now, we're trying something similar with fighting, as I mentioned in that column that I wrote. And you can find a link to that column below in the video notes. So far, it's not as effective taking pom-poms away for fighting as it is for potty talk. And I think that's because their bad language was a habit, and the fighting just comes from living under one roof and 4 walls and all being family. But I hope that maybe these tips can help you in your home, and maybe you can tackle something that's been driving you crazy and eliminate it from your home too. Good luck.